Hello, good day everyone. Today I will show you how to create 3D cartoon animation on your phone. So, welcome to my channel, City Media TV. So, firstly, you have to download the application. Go to Play Store, Google Play Store. So, type in Plotagon Story. So, this is the app. Plotagon Story. So, after downloading it, you launch it. So, let me launch this one. So this is the app. Note that before you can create a plot, you have to create your characters before you can create a plot. Your characters are the actors that will be on your scene. So these are the characters I have already created. So if you want to create a character, just click on create new. Allow it to load. So here you choose whether your character will be a male or female. So let me choose a male. Click on this first icon. This is the way you choose your character's face, whether random, straight, or whatever you want, however you want it. So these are the different faces we have in the application. So just choose anyone you like. So let me choose the first one. So after then, the next icon here is hair icon. Here you choose hair for your character. So this is male hair. So let's use this one. So the next icon is mustache icon. So choose mustache for your character. So let's use this one, and this is the color. If you want to change the color, you can change it to any color you want. Let's leave it like this. So the next one is eyeball icon. Here you choose your favorite eyeball color. So let's use this one. So after then, this is the glass icon. Whether you want your character to wear glass, to use glass or not. So this is the place you choose it. There are a lot of different glasses here, so you choose anyone you want. Let's use this one for our characters. So the next icon here is cloth icon. So you choose clothes for your character. Let's use this shirt. So the next icon is trouser icon. So shoes for your character. So let's use this army trouser. So the next icon is shoe icon. Then you choose any shoe you want. Let's use this one. So the next thing is that this place is not really necessary, just abandon the place. So the A icon here is you choose the name for your character. So let's just use, let's say, army. and after then you click on done. So that's all about the creating of character. So this is the character we just created. So this is the character. You can all see. So this is so this is the male character. Let's go and create a female character. So here you also do the same thing as we did at the first place. Click on create new. Allow it to load. So click on female and click on the first icon here to choose a face for your character, whether random face or any face you want. So let's choose this a little bit random face. So the next thing is hair icon. So choose a hair for your character, for a female character. So choose color for the hair. The next icon is eyelashes. So sorry, this is no stash. So whether your character will have no stash or not, let's cancel the no stash. You don't want it for female. So the next icon here, so I think this is the eyelashes, eyebrow and the rest. So just choose anyone. You can choose anyone you want. So let's choose whether this female character will have glass, whether she will use glass or not. Let's use a glass for her. So let's use this glass. So the next icon is cloth icon. So choose a cloth for your character. Let's just choose that cloth. You can even change the color here. This is the place you can click to change the clothes. This is it, like this. You can see. So the next icon here is the trouser icon. It shows whether your character will wear trouser or not, whether pants or trouser. Let's use pants because the clothes she wear is a covered one. It covered all of our body. So let's just use pants here. The next icon here is the shoe icon. So here you choose a shoe for your character. Let's use this female shoe. So because our character here is a female, So if you wish to change the color of the shoe, you can change it here also. So this is how you change it. So choose your preferred color. So let's choose this one because it is almost the same color with the clothes you wear. So this is the next icon. So you should leave this one. So the next icon here is where you will choose a name for your character. So let's choose rose which name. Let's choose Mary. Let's give our character a name. So after typing the name, you click on done, which means you are done with the creation of a character. So now we have created 2 characters. So now I think you are cleared on how to create a character. So the next tutorial on this channel is how to make the character to speak, to interact with each other. So if you see this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you won't miss out anything. You won't miss the tutorial when next I post it. So like my video, share it with your friends, family and loved ones. So mind you, the tutorial will be in 3 classes, and this is the first one. This is how to create a character. The next thing is how to create a plot. A plot is like a scene that your characters will be interacting with each other. So the next tutorial it will be based on how to interact with each other and create a plot for your character. So and also after creating the whole 3D animation movie, like now if you create a movie with like 2.5 minutes or 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes, it usually comes with a big file like 2 minutes video with almost 60 something megabytes, 70 something megabytes or 50 something megabytes, like that. So there's an app I usually use to reduce the megabytes. So in the next tutorial I will show you everything, how to reduce the app. Also this application, it's after you finish with the video, so the logo of this application will appear on the video. So there's an app I usually use to remove the watermark, the logo, the application logo on the video. So I will show you everything on the next tutorial. So thanks for watching.
Please subscribe, like and share.
Love.